That's our television station. I've given them time to do whatever they want to do with this guy. And to kwana fi na masha me don wa sha ase. Mami Agradaa mami nka se me njire. Bribe na wo de buy no, go and take your money. I am not a bribe taker. Whoever Mami Agradaa would say sika na man no. I am aware of everything. Nipa would sika na man no. Me nye ready say me bonidi. I respect that individual. But me say, go and take your money. Mami Agradaa. Tonight on Ghana Speaks, you see, I'm doing with segments as high segments. Shannon, so your friend of Ghana Speaks. Ghana Speaks tonight. Maybe your mama, quickly, producer. Yeah. Veneza asutie wa mama. Yes. Uko net 2 TV, Facebook, ubenya program no ho. Ashe. Tonight on Ghana Speaks, two things quickly. Na mpese meye. One, the General Overseer Emma Hezekiah Ministry, Apostle Kwabena Wusueje, was arrested on Tuesday morning by the operatives of National Security over his threat or issue Edema, the Electoral Commissioner Chief, Mrs. Jane Mensah. Say now, there's one fundamental idea me pese yeshanon so and it said, anybody who earlier listen or watch this man, it was our video now, would assume that whatever the man said was a direct message from the party called the National Democratic Congress, and that he was the spokesperson of the party. But what do we see today? He's the only person in incarceration. Nenena Meka said, look at what politics has done to such persons. Oshe first video no ebeya wote say papa na wo kasa no sebio but say the wo si kasa, the energy, the alacrity, the prowess displayed. Ne say the ordinary 70cc so with that energy and force no obeka say or your spokesperson Emma NDC, but he's not. Ebiom wo hwe no nso a kasa no ni energy or the shape no Ubeka se NDC for no na asuma no so onko kasa asem no, but yes ana asem no so tie. The fact that oye can say an activist and a member of the party, but so far ye nya ntie bia say party ni na suma no. When we say their politics aye no. When we say brano me tu nipa bebre fu pen. Say sa politics here ye wo my way mu so far 29 years. So why into 20 maybe year. Politics can sacrifice you on the other side of life. So, when we say, oh, yeah, Bema Bebre, so one share a bribino, and will be can as well say, Obeka can't to try that, so one rabako to Nebema. And into them penny 4 cars, yes, so who are deep here, first also, your kujab. Won't say, yeah, your doom, not office away Bema enough. But won't say, Yakujan. And once in them penny food dinners near say, a man come food diafrono, near come for what cheche. When we be genesis here. And no ma ebesi asembia, bear bosumi bear me, any acquaintua. Yeni a reasi nane on my gun in a year two, efa winum. A software, mudi onyankupu din a ye juma. Now so you profess the good things of God within. But outside rather, but within no moye empatekua mo hihye fenesen uhinted yecha mudi bone also the General Overseer Emma Wine the Hezekiah Apostolic Ministry enini ye koso no mumpo no na 7 prayers we pa se obonsam tawa munim duduwe en egu ade mu ekuta no na kyese wo hwani dem ho de a otumi se osi nom ne de metia kase na dem ho nya yekumo anso wo nkusi hemu ana ase ne sen also yankopon nipa. What are we seeing? Yen bebre o men ka kase o de ne besi ha na yen hwe bibi ye se politics na ye no politics na ye no mom ye ni you NDC for ejina ekwan bi so say ye mpene Emma Mami Jane Mensa enye exercise no in fact ene kra de na mete from one of the activists almost say the ZIA and MCA say NDC fully now should be advised you be voter registration exercise now they should not go to the event saying exercise grounds or so well that is their prerogative, that's their constitutional right. But then here I tell every Ghanaian at the range of hearing my voice, we are Ghanaian and one individual with your rights and the fundamental right that you have to personally observe. Would you allow a political party to take your right to, as it were, consider to have that card, which is your personal property? The party NDC would go and come. The party NPP will go and come. What about yourself? So, mumie bibi na yama party noa edi oman we so edi ye koba no emfa ye nwura bibi emfa ye nwura o. Papa won se wagege nanimu a obi yiri o. Mami Jane Mensa we oba wafo o. Utumi gina ho kache na wa hwe bibi e kwache papa yi na 7 previous on. Nyesa me ka boni bi de but me say den wo ye na two trusam no with the energy no spew around no. I thought say he was living in some place bi a just say yeah bema mo what in the mansion so. Go to amansan konkrenu ya sibi na ekuku so no mu ho. I bo videos ni actual as we go along. In fact, ye mo papa ne kwasem na ese chapel dey mukura. O say we smoothness level. Udi Canada Japan, udi natem. Ayo den. Mami Jane Mensa, yankoye ne boni, wayo den. Omanpene His Excellency, we see na aye dien. Edien ya na Ghana moje politics edi aye. Maka wo fi happen yo. Me say ya wa anye banche eye body 29 years. What do you think we have to show? Masa, mumi ehwe bibi ye wo man ni mu o. Democracy na ye ka say freedom of right. Oman penin da rolling si fees wa pep. Oman penin kufo be so mu a oman kro no mu drie no say afi obi a wo right no. E no man. The moral decadence became a commonplace. And the nipa ye omadwene say afi ye be gina radio so ni akasa ni how bia ye pe. Didi atem rough. Ekura wo mo gi democracy ne fundamental right etum. No other crobia to say United States of America. Menemoka say konako social television already across America. Over several states in the United States are on the streets, on the principal streets of New York City, Minneapolis, Seattle, everywhere. Demonstrating against the government of United States. Well, here comes my producer informing say yes, all the states in America are on the street. One individual pale of whom as that individual way, the fundamental right was being stampeded by a police officer with the knee on his neck. I can't breathe. In quote. Today, America is on the street. What is democracy? When we say the democracy here, what is here? And yet Ghana ha. Any sans samonini sabe kasa fi kasa boni any suatra any me koko so kasa any ye MPP ni NDC any NDC mpene any say any be hihyinas any ye den ukwohye electoral commission na ye den ukwohye electoral commission ukwokunkum electoral commission officers ukwo na ye den of swamp of way ekwan a wo de NDC for ne fa so no hweniye na wan kasa asam da wo so Pentecost elder wo ekwan a what the NDC for no air fast on Sheniye? Minim so ram hammer. Maybe yes, no warrior man Yamako. But I'm sure ya and peninfobi Mano Casano and drive the likes of this as of will be a friend of mine, Apostle Kabneje, into Walker Can of Boswasing. The way a bearman will see Casa. No, this or a bearma power. A good reason. And then he's the only person standing before the bear, the law. He's the only person standing before the law. Where are the NDC in Penifua, Kukuemu, Womuye ni Yodium, Womu Hine? Won't see a customer will be more fine. But politics ni be jaw, politics ni be gu ni mwase, politics be mu ebusia, you touching, and then ebusia for more hinefa. Or Casa no more hine. Well, my main fan is here because he have a banner so. Prophet Nigel Gazi, Moasumre fi hase, ne yeba oso. Na minim se wo so yo sofo ase nkontompo ni na braba ne bone ahye wo maze wo case de do so krachi obi nim asase no a edan no wo ya asore won wan na de asase ne ma a lawyer for nkwa. Say if you're on a lawyer for nkwa na ho. But me momudin. Ma memre bibi so ehun hia me pa tonight. Last Monday, I said on this show, said those individuals out there are more person more riding on the shoulders of this platform to push an agenda, or those who want to use this platform to fight other men of God simply because I need to for your expose you as of wintino. Most more person more riding on this platform. Me mamo koko me bomo koko se munyai. But it appears that one among such charlatans, I describe that individual as a charlatan, feels say or you're tough and therefore as who misbehave. Now, as someone you can one kwan bi so say net 2 TV the seed show. Me di chiame will show easy. Me ma kwan. Se obini osofo bi want to kwa na no sa osofo no nkoko. But men fa platform emmeye a conduit and now a vehicle so the champion that cause. And producer Mame Kwan, because credibility is at stake here, personality is at stake here, and I've said it many times. Me Kwaku Annan, I will not allow anybody, and I repeat, anybody, so be running me credibility down. Anything you can do and go scot-free. But my credibility there, if you touch it, no, I go with you down. Don't try it. Manchester me person member sa nipa ne credence no. I need to do what I have to do. Abrante bia betra social media and or see show we ebe frɛ no. Ye ne no ebedi nkomo ye beji information e free no ho. Producer yabotra meba enti or see the yen ye beji information e free no. It is not true. Ubia wetie sa social media no and I watch sa television station a unipa no kotra ho ka sa asem no. I am telling you tonight, me say that is a lie. Nipa ne try show no so yen enra. O see yen Kwaku Annan me na me be friend na me toto na no. But I'm to tell my listeners and viewers say 2-3 weeks ago, me wo ho na sa brante no frɛ me. Onya madamfo, minim ni ba bia onye me nkomodifo. Obe frɛ me no asɛm ko a ɔka kyerɛ me ɛne de na ɔpɛ seed show no yeye ma no no me pɛ sɛ wa wotie. Na owie a Ochana pa ometra ni TV station so non kan kire Ghana for say sa audio no tie ye saying yen ye kae anase nye ye kae ano no friend and nye your friend. Great, take a listen to this audio recording. Me bought just 2 minutes amount. Na tie ni din e wo audio recording mi tie ni din chen waso na tie minim so wo hwe me no tie ni din no misa no say ono no place call we to my phone onya me number wa he. Why did he call? Listen to him. Na me we are with the same way.
Papa just said.
Hello.
Papa just said, good evening.
Good evening.
Papa, I want to tell you.
Where are
the patron now who in and on next week.
Okay.
The number no Madame Fuba for 1 person the first time that we left the house. Now, the person of information the bring me at the mark. Thank you, show with them Monday. But there's a man platform coming who's to Waha.
Was it?
Yes, so I sent a man platform then coming who's to Waha. But let me present me the information about Medaki.
Also, person who's to Obi.
Or you sent coming who's to a many platform.
Why say?
You find out information about it. Who I think coming who's to a many platform to a next TV.
Okay.
And I'm here to know. One thing, the man feedback is really I think I'm in the one Sananka, Macato, Nankam, the number.
Oh, okay. You. Any a bit me share or a dream Monday.
Monday, and about
normally me do her area.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe on my way going. Make me Afro. Monday or holiday, but you be a program.
Okay.
Make me Afro, not
Great. What's your recording? Oh, now what two stations and you were bragging. Say, men, I'm afraid. Yes. Call we a buyer. Me, na me frɛ and I want to frɛ. I only called you on last week Sunday. But before, now they call we abadida. Eboa. So no, the producers are advising. But ma Ghana for amuwa Ghana ne abruchi enye madwene se se bin previous an Kwaku Annan moje ni mi mo. You see, people want to redefine my personality, my credibility to let me look like who I am not. Intermediate, when we control social media, no mudin semonia. Oh, Kwaku jaom. Oh, Kwaku menka somo. But they are redefining my credibility. To what extent? That United Nations. I have to go and answer all those things, those allegations. I will answer it now. That is what my chairman Kennedy Agyapong does. Say no, I will answer them. Mama kwana me answer them. What I make on? Sans someone na multi social media na mudien. Na television station. I've given them time to do whatever they want to do with this guy. And to kwana fi na masha me don wa sha ase. Mami Agradaa mami nka se me nkyerɛ. Bribe now what they buy, go and take your money. I am not a bribe taker. Whoever Mami Agradaa would say sikanema, I am aware of everything. Nipa would sikanema, me ready say me boniti. I respect that individual. But me say, go and take your money. Mami Agradaa.